Welcome to this Sahara 4 exercise. In this exercise, we will modify the well-known symbols that we imported in a previous exercise. In particular, we will modify the general keyword for the user nodes as, for example, these ones here that we reviewed in a previous exercise. For that, we will go to Edit, Variables, and here we will look for the nodes variables, the node group, and it will be here nodes. Here we have variables that we cannot really modify, author and text, but here in category we can modify how both the existing groups are displayed on the production window, but also we can modify and add new different groups as well. In this case, let's modify the general group. Here we will select a different color. Let's use, for example, this one here, and let's use a cross symbol instead of a circle. So let's save it, and here we see that the previous symbol that we have, I'm going to maximize this. The previous symbol that we have is now replaced by the cross. That is the new symbol that we selected. Here we can modify the size and have bigger symbols to represent these nodes in this depth. And if we have nodes in depth, they will be represented in the well work window, in the log window, with these symbols as well. In this case, all the nodes that we have been working with are all associated to the well level, so they don't have depth. But in the case that you do have nodes that are represented in the well work window, you can also modify how they are shown with these symbols. So that will be everything for this tutorial, and thank you for watching.